Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you plank every day? Well, get ready for an incredible journey as we unveil the amazing transformations brought by daily planking. Week 1. Strengthen your core. The initiation into the world of planking can be tough. Those initial shaky arms and trembling core are laying the groundwork for what's to come. By consistently challenging your stabilizing muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and erector spine, your core strength will skyrocket. Planking engages multiple muscle groups from your abs to your glutes, making them stronger and more defined. Say goodbye to those flabby love handles and hello to a sculpted, toned midsection. Week 2. Perfecting posture and balance. With a strengthened core comes improved posture. The slouching that office jobs and hours on smartphones induce starts to wane. You'll find yourself standing taller, exuding a confidence that comes from a straightened spine and enhanced balance. Planking improves your posture, as it targets the muscles responsible for supporting your spine. And as an added bonus, you'll even notice a reduction in lower back pain. Week 3. Elevating endurance. Persistence pays off in the second week. While the burn doesn't diminish, your ability to withstand it grows. It's no longer just a core game. The shoulders, chest, and back muscles join the party, contributing to an overall increase in your endurance. Planking is a full-body exercise that requires you to hold a position for an extended period. By doing it daily, you'll build not only physical strength, but also mental resilience. Pushing through the burn will become easier, and before you know it, those once impossible times will become a breeze. Week 4. Flexibility and metabolism. As the month progresses, you'll not only feel, but also see the transformation. Planking stretches and strengthens, increasing flexibility, especially in the posterior muscles. Moreover, the sustained muscle activity gives your metabolism a significant boost, enhancing calorie burn even when you're at rest. Planking boosts your metabolism and helps with weight loss. As you engage your muscles, you burn more calories even after your workout is done. So say hello to a faster metabolism and farewell to those stubborn extra pounds. Week 5. Fortifying the mind. Physicality aside, the discipline of daily planking begins to fortify the mind. Holding the plank position requires more than just muscle strength. It demands mental resilience, patience, and focus. As the seconds turn into minutes, you're training your brain to tackle challenges with a newfound determination. Week 6. Holistic toning and bone health. As you approach the tail end of the journey, planking's role as a full-body workout becomes evident. The benefits seep into areas beyond the core. Your arms, legs, and glutes feel firmer. And there's a bonus. Planks, being weight-bearing, promote bone density, especially beneficial for the wrists and forearms. And lastly, planking improves your overall balance and stability. By challenging your core and activating those stabilizing muscles, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to maintain control during various activities. So get ready to excel in sports, dance, or just everyday tasks. Week 7. Celebrating the new you. The culmination of 7 weeks of dedication is nothing short of inspiring. Beyond the visible transformation and increased strength, there's an intrinsic sense of achievement. The commitment to plank daily fosters a discipline that likely seeps into other areas of life. Planking, in its deceptive simplicity, is a powerhouse of an exercise. Daily planking unlocks a world of incredible transformations: stronger core, better posture, increased endurance, boosted metabolism, and improved balance. So the next time you think of skipping that plank, remember the potential rewards of persistence and discipline. Dive into the challenge, embrace the burn, and emerge stronger, both physically and mentally. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Keep planking strong, and we'll see you next time.